Amuco, Poirei Lemeral Merapai Biapunba Manipur, Amawova, Kohor and MSF have submitted a memorandum to Prime Minister, Home Minister, Manipur Governor and Chief Minister to push for NRC before census in Manipur. Speaking in this regard at Amuco's office in Kwakatil today, President of Amuco, Sanjoy Sorokhaibam, said Manipur faces multiple issues that pose security and administration challenges. While highlighting the need for NRC with 1951 as base year, Sanjoy stressed on the threat posed by illegal immigrants to indigenous communities in Manipur. Further, he also urged government to ensure that no extra forces are used against protesters who are demanding NRC in Manipur.
1951 da BS NRC pangkok pasna hama patok pai maduda asengo aikoi Manipuri masak khangma ngabani mito masak khangma ngabani la pragati mito amadi aikoi lejeru Manipuri ani ki bisak gomo tawragadi aikoi ko ego kunai asida sauna mongja gani mang dusulla pe masi phonga chak sai na leni buffer zone kya tholi pole kya tholi Sector 2029 thar me ne hoji powda chatha logi ba problem sing asida kunai asida ini ba checking sing asida makhan makha kya me aduna hoji democratic movement sanchal liba aikoi Manipuri miyam da security ka ha thom sing chatha do pai misu aduga asu kon ayam na do pai baron ni democratic sanchal liba sing ase Manipuri miyam do ta ni masi yam hongtang ne aduna matam ki sasan sing adu mo ta da di miyam puna horaga sasan adu ki mind ko lei bachdi isidi ki sanna ni adu bhante